Hi, my name is Shashwat. I am a student of Pre-Incubation Program by IIM Lucknow in collaboration with Moonpreneur. I'm being mentored by Venkatesh sir. So our company name is INNANA and we want to build a 3D printer that can print personalized medicine. So a natural question arises, why do we even need a personalized medicine or 3D printer, right? So I've worked in this industry for a few years and there are few major problems in this industry that really bother me. First one is drugs don't work for people whom they are prescribed to. Top 23 grossing drugs benefit 1 in 4 to 1 in 24 people who take them. This happens because we give same dose to everyone regardless of their age, sex or height, and this is a significant problem because we are talking about millions of people who are taking a medicine experience same side effects without any benefit. Another problem is 60 to 70% medicine that need cold storage gets spoiled. Many cancer medication require temperature below 1 to 2 degrees, and think of it, people who are buying this expensive medicine every single day from a medical store for their parents suffering from cancer, and their parents aren't showing any sign of improvement because the medicine they bought is spoiled. Another problem is global spending on clinical trial is at $70 billion and 90% of medicine fail in clinical trials. And one problem they face is they need to change dosage of medicine every single day. But the machine they have are designed to mass produce medicine, and companies are dying for a solution for this problem. Another problem is many medicine with narrow therapeutic index. These are generally those medicine with the gap between doses that have no effect to the doses that have toxic effect is really low, and many medicine with narrow therapeutic index never reached the market because there was no option for personalization. These medicine can prove to be really beneficial to treat some major diseases we are facing today, but they never reach the market. So what is the solution for this problem, right? I think we need to build a 3D printer that can print medicine on demand. We need to decentralize manufacturing of medicine. We need to sell this printer to hospitals and pharmacy. And if a patient need X amount of medicine on Monday and Y amount of medicine on Tuesday, a doctor can print a personalized medicine for his patient. Doesn't matter doctor have 10 patient or 100 patient. A doctor can print personalized medicine for his each patient, and this will be such a significant improvement in how we treat our patients today, in how our doctors treat our patient today. With this 3D printer, we also solve problem of cold storage because we can print medicine on demand and can give this medicine directly to patients, so we don't even need to store medicine in cold temperature. With this 3D printer, we also solve major problem for companies entering in clinical trials because billions of dollars are wasted every single year. If we sell this 3D printer directly to companies who are entering in clinical trials, with just a click of button they can print different dosage of medicine every single day without any hassle. So I want to sell this printer initially to hospitals, pharmacy and companies conducting clinical trials. So market size could lie somewhere between $84.43 billion to $5.7 trillion. I have quoted some number here that I used to calculate market size. So this is the list of our biggest competitor, and our biggest competitor is Fabric. They have made most advances in this field. So currently we are a team of 2. I am Shashwat and Venkatesh sir is mentoring me. Thank you.